Jazz and I have finally got our Uber to go over to the cruise port. So we are just checking out the hotel, headed over for what, a 10-minute ride?
Yeah,
I think it's like a 10-15 minute ride. So you ready?
You ready?
I am ready.
Yes, we're all ready. Yes.
Ready for this cruise? Too.
We're ready for the cruise. We can't
Yeah, just
wait.
jump on with us.
Yep. all the things. So
How was the stay there?
it wasn't bad. They don't have a shuttle, but it was a decent hotel. Yeah.
They used to call me too.
They did.
Yeah, I pick up here already. They call me.
I think everybody's made it. So my place should be here. I would text him, but he don't never answer his phone. So Nays with her brothers.
How many days is your cruise?
5 days.
5 days. That's cool.
I don't know why this thing keeps rolling up. It's getting on my nerves. It didn't say KC, I threw it away, but since it says KC, I'm gonna go with it. It's time to dance, have a drink, and eat. All the things. Look at this view.
Ready for the silhouette party.
That's good. Where'd you come from?
A
Kansas
little bit
City.
everywhere. Yeah.
Within LA?
Originally,
Kansas City.
Yeah, Kansas City,
Oh,
Missouri.
Kansas City, okay. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Don't give me anything.
Nothing else. He's busy. He's tied up. Lift people.
I don't want to take them.
These palm trees makes you know you're in the right place, where the weather is just beautiful all the time. Oh, there's the boats over there.
This one is going to appreciate me. So when you come back, you're flying through airport, Long Beach or Elliott?
Long Beach.
Oh, okay. If you need me, let me know.
Okay.
Appreciate
Always
it.
come to here.
Perfect.
Yeah, there's a bunch of us going back.
Mhm.
How much luggage can you hold?
How many of you?
I don't know.
How many
Are you
people
going
go?
back with us?
I'm going.
We got our flight's at 10:55.
Oh yeah, mine isn't till like 11 something, but I mean I can just hang out at the airport.
Okay. So it'll be. I know
How many people?
it'll be at least 3 of 4, 1, 2, 3 of us
As much as 6 or 7. It's not big.
with luggage too.
Yeah, so.
Okay. It'll.
Call me. Don't wait at the call before you call. Call me before you get to the call so I can drive. You see, I'm bypassing it.
You fast. Okay.
So
So
I'm trying to bypass it.
Do you have a? Because we may not be able to
call you. Yeah, we're gonna be
Okay,
coming
so
off the
WhatsApp.
boat. Can we schedule?
Oh, you do have WhatsApp, so
Yeah.
your number will work on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, I can
You see?
message you on WhatsApp.
Jasmine knows how
Those
to
are my
do it.
guys. I have to do this for them. That's why I bypass the place.
Jasmine knows how to do it.
You know, I got I've been all over the world literally, so.
Mm-hmm.
I've waited there for almost 40 minutes now. $1 will not kill me.
Yeah, I leave at 1:35.
1:35. I think our flight's at 10:55, so we're gonna be like getting off at 8 and running to the airport. 10 something. So I guess we can just see what
Yeah, because I'll
The
have
best friend
plenty
wants
of
to do.
time.
yeah. He said, what they doing back there? We had to just swoop around them.
I know you're gonna do that. I know you're gonna do that. Hello, sister. How are you? Cool. That's my brother from another mother. That guy. Yeah. See?
I love it.
All the things.
That's how I felt when I was in Africa.
Is that right?
You are from Africa?
No, I'm in the army and I was
Oh, wow.
stationed out there.
It takes 2 weeks about for your body to adapt.
Which part of Africa?
So I was deployed to Djibouti, but I flew into Kenya.
Oh, nice. What?
You're
That's
older,
nice.
it's like,
Mhm.
what is wrong with us? And then also, let's throw in an election. It's just gonna make the whole week super peaceful. You're gonna be great. Life can get busy, but your spiritual journey doesn't have to take a back seat. Sign up for Caleb's Verse of the Day and receive a daily Bible verse right in your inbox. It's a simple yet powerful way to center your day.
I've never
on
cruised
God's
out of
Word.
Long
Visit
Beach before, so this is new for me.
Start your daily inspiration journey.
I'm not having deja vu because I don't know what to expect.
Sign up now at caleb.com.
Why are you blocking my VIP? I'm VIP here.
1 minute of encouragement.
We're VIP. Y'all hear that?
In John's account,
Everywhere we
Jesus
go,
calming
we
the
are
storm
VIP.
In John chapter 6, it says that
Look at,
Jesus
I mean,
didn't come to
cars
his disciples
everywhere.
for the watch of the night.
It's like airport parking. Move out the way, lady.
Yeah, they drive and see. It's not as difficult the way they drive. You can
Right,
see-
they don't know how to drive. Look how she's sitting up here in the way.
They must be
Leaving the cruise in our way, though.
To face
They're in our way.
8 p.m. and 10
Just
p.m.
lined up, ready to get out of here. Okay, I guess here we go.